Welcome to our channel. We are Teknikforce and we help grow your business online.
Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
X ad formats. Welcome to Teknikforce. In this video, we're diving into the world of X ad formats. You will learn about promoted tweets, follower ads, trend takeovers, etc. Powerful tools to amplify your message and engage your audience. Let's get started. X offers a variety of formats for advertisers to showcase their content. Promoted ads. Promoted ads can support a variety of media formats through the following subcategories. The first one is image ads. Image ads allow you to showcase your product or service with a single photo. Video ads. Video ads help bring products to life and drive people to a website, app, or simply to engage with your brand's message. Carousel ads. Carousel ads give advertisers up to 6 horizontally swipeable images or videos to showcase multiple products or promotions. Vertical video ads. Vertical video is the fastest growing surface on X, accounting for 20% of daily total time spent on the platform. Your brand can take advantage with full screen, sound on vertical video ads to tell your story in a more captivating way, unlock incremental reach, and drive users to your website or app. Vertical video ads is the most engaging ad format X have released. With full screen viewability and sound on by default, your product and message is front and center. You can also include a call to action button to drive users to your website or app. This button appears after the viewer has watched 1 second of your ad. Users are 7 times more likely to follow, repost, like, and click the URLs of vertical video ads compared to the same ads on the home timeline. X Amplify. X Amplify allows advertisers to align their ads with premium video content from the most relevant publishers. Amplify offerings are broken out into 2 ad formats. First one is Amplify Pre-roll. Allows advertisers to select the content categories of the videos that their video ad will be served on from 15 plus categories, including select curated categories in markets where they're available. Amplify Sponsorships. Give advertisers a 1-by-1 pairing with a single publisher during a moment of their choice and post-level control for the duration of the campaign. Please note that Amplify sponsorships are not available to self-serve advertisers at this time. X Takeovers. X's takeover products are the most premium, mass-reach placements that drive results across the funnel by taking over the timeline and explore tabs. They give brands exclusive ownership of X's premium real estate across desktop and mobile, allowing you to maximize reach and drive lifts across the funnel. Takeover placements are offered as Timeline Takeover, puts brands at the top of the conversation as the first ad of the day. People come to X to discover what's happening, and with Timeline Takeover, your ad is the first ad when someone opens X. Trend Takeover puts ads alongside what's trending, placing messages and immersive video creative where the conversation starts on the Explore tab. X Live. Create a moment, broadcast it to the world, and allow your audience to interact with you in real time with X Live. Top marketers are choosing to live stream their biggest events on X, from product launches and conferences to watch parties and fashion shows. X Live helps brands maximize their live content and drive conversation. X advises on content strategy and guides the execution of your live video content. Dynamic product ads. Dynamic product ads on X allow advertisers to deliver the most relevant product to the right customer at the right time. With DPA retargeting, advertisers can serve ads to targeted consumers featuring products they have engaged with, like added to their shopping cart on the advertiser's website but haven't yet purchased. With DPA prospecting, advertisers can acquire new customers who haven't visited their website via ads featuring products from your catalog that are most relevant to them. Combined with X Web Conversions products, dynamic product ads can help advertisers improve cost per purchase and return on ad spend on X. Collection ads. Collection ads are a new way to browse, storytell, and purchase on X. In a collection ad, advertisers can showcase a collection of product images through a primary hero image and smaller thumbnail visuals below. X ad features. X offers a corresponding suite of standard and branded features that can be applied across the other format categories. These include app carts. Add clickable functionality to add creative and links to a specific App Store or Play Store app download page. If users already have the app downloaded, this button can also be configured to open into the specific app on mobile. Website cards. Add clickable functionality to image and video ads, allowing users to click through to a specific landing page. Branded hashtags allow advertisers to express their personality and add a fun, visually appealing creative element wherever the hashtag is used across X. Branded notifications enable people on X to raise their hand to receive valuable content or experiences directly from brands at the moments that matter most. That's all about X ad formats. Whether it's promoted tweets, follower ads, or trend takeovers, each offer unique ways to reach your goals. Thank you for watching. Introducing Livecaster 24/7, the ultimate video traffic boost. Multiply your organic reach and audience with live, dynamic video programming. Live stream from most any social media platform and multiple your reach up to 10 times with Livecaster 24/7. Supercharge your marketing reach with Livecaster 24/7's powerful features. We got a 3 times boost in reach from live streaming. Social Baker reports 92% extra reach for live videos, and reach tests just 48 hours after publishing. Live videos have the most reach among all the video formats on social. Live stream pre-recorded videos and show your best content to the world. Go live on any platform, Livecaster 24/7 makes it easy. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, X, Amazon, LinkedIn, Kick, Twitch, Stream, Rumble, and the rest of them. Content creators get a reach boost and get more viewers for your existing content. E-commerce marketers sell anything better with live videos. Grab the top spots on news feeds and search results effortlessly. Leave your competition in the dust with a live streaming reach boost. Livecast multiple videos simultaneously on multiple platforms. Schedule your livecasts. Go live even when you're sleeping. Create live stream channels. Live stream long videos without limitations. Live stream multiple videos in a queue using our streams feature. Live loop technology loops your livecast for an unending live stream. Supports HT and high quality livecasts. Supports all popular video formats. Download YouTube videos for streaming. Detailed reporting and fail-safe mechanisms. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Livecaster 24/7 now. Just go to livecaster.in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.